Welcome to this step-by-step guide to BMO Travel Rewards, where we will walk you through the process of earning and redeeming travel rewards with the Bank of Montreal. The BMO Travel Rewards program is designed to help you earn points on your everyday purchases and redeem them for travel bookings, statement credits, or other rewards. First, you need to have a BMO credit card that participates in the Travel Rewards program, such as the BMO World Elite MasterCard or the BMO Rewards MasterCard. Once you have your credit card, you can start earning points on your purchases. The number of points you earn per dollar spent varies depending on the credit card you have, but most BMO Travel Rewards credit cards offer 1 to 3 points per dollar spent. To earn the most points, use your credit card for all your daily purchases, including groceries, gas, and dining. You can also earn bonus points for certain categories, such as travel or entertainment. Make sure to check your credit card agreement to see which categories offer bonus points. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for travel rewards. The BMO Travel Rewards program allows you to book travel through their website or by calling their customer service. You can redeem your points for flights, hotels, car rentals, or vacation packages. The number of points required for a reward varies depending on the travel booking, but most rewards start at around 10,000 points. To get the most value out of your points, it is best to redeem them for travel bookings. You can also redeem your points for statement credits, but this usually requires more points than redeeming for travel. Another option is to transfer your points to partner airlines or hotels, but this may require a minimum number of points and may have transfer fees. To redeem your points, log into your BMO account online or call their customer service. You can search for travel bookings on the BMO website and redeem your points for the booking. Make sure to check the number of points required for the reward and the expiration date of your points. In conclusion, the BMO Travel Rewards program is a great way to earn points on your everyday purchases and redeem them for travel rewards. By following these steps and using your credit card for all your daily purchases, you can accumulate points quickly and redeem them for travel bookings or other rewards. Remember to always check your credit card agreement and the BMO website for the most up-to-date information on the Travel Rewards program and to get the most value out of your points.